All right, so before we talk about theme customization, I'd like us to talk about the themes. We have free and we have paid themes. So you head over to online store, go to themes, then you go to, currently we are using the Horizon default theme. You can go to the version here and click on view release notes, or you can search for the theme you want. In this case, let's search for clothing because Horizon is more of a clothing theme. Then click on generate theme. It will take a couple of minutes to generate. Alright, so once it's generated, you can view demo or try theme if you want. So I'm going to click on view demo to view. Notice the desktop and the mobile icons at the bottom of the screen. You can click on it to see the responsiveness on both desktop and mobile. Alright, so you can preview it and see if it best suits your tests, if it best suits your needs. It has a search functionality, it has profile, cart, and the likes. So it has of the navigation. Alright, so you can see other themes here. So I'm going to click here, view release notes, to check the release note of that particular theme, Horizon. So here it is, designed by Shopify. So you can just read through. It was created September 30th or updated September 30th, 2025. You can see other related themes on clothing here if you want to. You can actually click on view demo to view it. So while that is loading, also you can check the responsiveness by clicking on the mobile or desktop preview tabs up here. Alright, so here it is. It's a popular theme, but I'm not so worried about all these themes. You can choose one if you want. Later on, we're going to be using page builders like gem pages. So you can view more. Just click on the arrow left, right, or view more to see a list of other themes. So currently, the category selected is clothing. That's why we are seeing fewer themes than expected. So you have to uncheck clothing here, or just browse themes and click on all themes, both free and paid, to see all the themes. So you can select the category you want, the industry category like clothing, or you can select something like pets category, home, entertainment, and the likes. So you can see all free themes. Yeah, there it is. I think every version it keeps increasing. The themes number keeps increasing. So you can select the theme you want. You can sort related, newest, price from low to high, and vice versa. Paid, check the paid. We have a lot of paid themes you can explore. You have paid electronics, paid food and drink, paid hardware, and the likes. So paid pets can you can combine more than one category like home, pets, kids, and the likes. You just have to select the theme to preview it, or you check for free theme. You can search jewelry and see all the themes on jewelry. So we have a lot of themes that you can explore, not just Horizon. So you can switch store you want to, and manage your store or thereabouts. So there you have it. You can come down here and select themes here, and also you can watch the video to know how to customize your theme, even though we do that in the next video. But you can Shopify theme store, click on that link, and there you have it. So you are not limited to just the default Horizon theme that you see in the admin. You can select your own theme and use it. So let's go to the theme store homepage. So here is it. You can come here and check for new or latest themes or trending themes. Yeah.